If you've been scrolling through social media seeing those intricate wood carvings or custom metal signs and thought, I could never do that without a massive, expensive industrial machine, you're exactly the person looking at the FoxAlien Masuter 3S. Getting into CNC routing can be intimidating because of the steep learning curve and the high cost of entry, but this machine is designed to make that transition a whole lot easier for the hobbyist. The biggest issue with smaller, entry-level CNCs is usually rigidity. If the machine wobbles while it's cutting, your design is ruined. The Masuter 3S solves this by using a solid aluminum frame and, crucially, closed-loop stepper motors. What that means for you is that the machine is constantly checking its own position. If it hits a tough knot in the wood, it knows exactly where it is, which prevents those annoying skip steps that can ruin a project halfway through. It's powered by a 400W spindle, which gives you enough torque to handle not just wood and acrylic, but also softer metals like aluminum. It's a true 3-axis machine, meaning you can engrave, carve, and cut with a surprising amount of detail. The assembly process is straightforward compared to other kits, so you aren't spending your entire first week just trying to put the thing together. What to keep in mind before you buy. While it's much more capable than basic desktop engravers, this is still a hobbyist machine. You aren't going to be mass-producing furniture on this. Also, CNC work involves software. You'll need to spend some time learning programs like Easel or Fusion 360 to actually create the designs you want to carve. It's not plug-and-play in the sense that you just hit a button and magic happens. There is a learning curve to the software side of things. So, who is this really for? This is perfect for the serious DIYer, the maker who wants to start selling custom wooden signs, or someone who wants to move up from a basic laser engraver into actual milling and carving. If you're just looking for a simple tool for tiny craft projects, this might be more machine than you need. Is it worth the money? If you've outgrown your starter equipment or you want a robust, metal-framed machine that won't require an immediate upgrade, then yes, it's a fantastic value. It hits that sweet spot between an entry-level toy and a full-scale workshop tool. If this looks like the right fit for your workspace, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you clear up the confusion, please hit that like button, share it with someone who's interested in woodworking, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff tool reviews.